guys, welcome to Trendy Unboxing. Today I have Uncle Chip's plain salted flavor with me. But before proceeding ahead, if you haven't subscribed to us, do subscribe our channel and don't forget to press that bell icon. So let's start. I have Uncle Chip's plain salted flavor with me. So this is the front side of packaging and you will able to see the name of the product, that is Uncle Chip's plain salted. You will also able to see picture of one cowboy. They have given the cost of this product, that is rupees 20. You will see picture of chips and salt. You remember the tagline, "Play mere lips, I love Uncle Chips." By looking at the picture, you will able to make out that it's made up of potatoes. Its energy is 170 kcal and 8% of adults GDA. You will also able to see green dot which indicate that this is vegetarian product. Now let's see what they have given on the rear side of packaging. They have given nutritional information about the product. Energy 566 kcal, protein 7 gram, total carbohydrate 50.2 grams, of which sugars 1.4 gram, total fat 37.5 gram. They have used quite much fat. The fat should be minimum 17 grams. They have used 37.5 grams, which is close to 40 grams. Saturated fat 17.5 gram, trans fat 0.1 gram, sodium 661 milligram. On packaging, you will able to see that it's marketed by PepsiCo India Holding Private Limited and they got FSSAI license number. The ingredients used in this product are potato, edible vegetable oil, palmolive oil, iodized salt 1.5%. Quantity of this product is 55 gram, that is 50 grams plus 5 gram extra. The manufacturing date is 9th July 2021. And over here you will able to see it's best before 4 months from manufacturing. So on packaging you will able to see that they have given their jingle. Family मिली after a long time, अंकल ने शुरू करी कोई राइम, दीदी ने अंकल चिप्स का पैकेट खोला तो भैया का दिल बोला आजा मेरी स्वीट बहना, मिलकर गाए अंताक्षरी का फर्स्ट गाना, बोले मेरे लिप्स I love Uncle Chips. They have mentioned that Uncle Chips and Cowboy Head device are registered trademark of PepsiCo India Holdings Private Limited. If you want to give feedback or if you have any query about product, then you can write to them or even you can call them. If you want to give feedback or you have any query about the product, then you can write to them or even you can call them. Now let's unbox this Uncle Chips. Now I'm going to taste this for you. Taste wise, it's very good and salty. But I'm really disappointed. I'm really disappointed as there was lot of air inside. This is really a good pack if you are having party at house or maybe if you are going out with your friends. I know most of you have already tried this. Do share your feedback with us in the comment section below. And those who haven't tried this, do give it a try guys. That's all in this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit like button. Thank you.